5. So if there are numbers which is having 2 of the same sign, that is minus 5 and minus 2. So let us consider minus 5. It is that is this is minus 5 and this is minus 2. The answer is minus 7. So minus 5 is written as 1011 and minus 2 is written as 1110. So simply a simple subtraction will get minus 7. Alright, and let us consider one more. Just going to zoom in. Okay, so there is a small thing which you need to remember here. Okay, now consider minus 3 and minus 7. So what we can do is, if you want to subtract minus 3 minus 7, that is nothing but minus 3 plus 7. So that is what we have already done here. Minus 3 you are going to write as it is. Minus 3 is here. Minus 3 is 1101, and instead of doing a minus operation, because we are not very much familiar with the minus operation, so what we are going to do is, everywhere it is addition itself. So even if I have already explained this, so whole procedure is, even if you are going to have a subtraction, it is ultimately addition of negative number. So 0, 111, that is a positive 7. You are adding. If you are subtracting minus 7, it means that you are adding a plus 7. So you are going to get a positive 4. Now the interesting part is 2 and 4. 2 you are writing as it is, and plus 4 as it is. So instead of plus 4, what we are going to do is, you are going to add 2 with minus 4. Instead of 2 minus plus 4, we are going to add 2 with minus 4. This is my 2 and this is my minus 4. If you want to check, this is my minus 4 and this is 1100. So this is what the answer is, and the answer is in 2's complement form. So it is minus 2. Minus 2 is nothing but 1110. So I already mentioned, you need to remember one thing, and that important point is, if we are adding and the signs are same. Remember, if you are adding and the signs are same, the answer, if you are getting in the same sign as the operands, then the answer is right. If we are adding and the sign is different, that is, I'll just give you an example. Okay, let us consider minus 4 and minus 6. I'm going to follow the same procedure, 1's complement, 2's complement, and result. So minus 4 is nothing but this in magnitude, this in 1's complement, and this is 2's complement. So minus 6 is nothing but minus, and this is 6. This is retaining the MSB and adding 1 to the rest of the 3 digits. So now there is a term called overflow which is happening. Means 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0, and we have a end round carry. This is an end round carry which is happening, and the answer is nothing but 0110, that is 6, and we have an end round carry which we are going to omit. Alright, so end round carry is always omitted in 2's complement addition, remember that. So EOC is end round carry, and then in this case what we are going to get is an incorrect answer, even though we are going to have a 2's complement addition, because the operand is negative this operand is negative, and the answer is positive. So we are going to get a wrong answer. So let us consider next one, where we have minus 2 and minus 3. This is my minus 2 minus, and the rest of the 3 digits are 3. Okay, same thing, ones complement, keeping the MSB as it is, retaining the MSB as it is, and complementing all the rest of the 3 digits. MSB as it is, retaining, and then the rest of the 3 digits are reversed, and then adding the 2 digits. Now the answer is 1011. The operand is negative, the operand is negative, and the answer is also negative. So this answer is right. So 1011 is nothing but a minus 5. The answer is minus 3 plus minus 3. Minus 3 plus minus 2 is a positive 5. The answer is negative 5. That is the right answer here, because we have already got a MSB 1. So even if we have an end round carry, this is considered as 1011, and we are going to omit the end round carry. Now let us take one more example. This is 6 and 4. What we are supposed to get is 10. Let us see if we are going to get a 10. So positive 6, positive 4. We are going to get the 2's complement as it is, because it is a positive number, and the answer, final answer is 1010. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, and we are going to have a carry 1, and this carry is nothing but the carry from the third bit to the fourth bit, or third bit to the MSB, is nothing but an overflow. Alright, so this is what 1011 is, and 1011 is nothing but a negative of 2, and the answer is supposed to be a positive 10, and this is where the overflow occurs. Means we cannot get the answer within the range. So the range we have already explained is, the range which we have already explained here is, we are going to get minus 7 to a positive 7, minus to a positive 7. If the operation answer is in this range, then only it can be expressed and it is right. If it is outside this range, then we are simply going to say that an overflow has occurred and it is in fact wrong. So remember that if both the operands are positive, the answer, if it is positive, then the answer is right. If both the operands are negative, if the answer is negative, then the answer is right. If one operand is negative and the other operand is negative as well, and the answer is positive, then the answer is incorrect. Here this is what you need to remember. The observation leads to the following way to detect an overflow. When adding two numbers in a 2's complement representation, examine the sum of the operand. If the sum of the operand is same as the result, then the answer is right. Otherwise the answer is expressed in a wrong way. If the result is negative, that is MSB of the result is 1, the result is in 2's complement form. Remember this. I have already said this. If the result is negative, that is MSB of the result is 1, then the result is in 2's complement form. Remember this also. Always end round carry is discarded. If the two operands, say x and y, have the same sign, then the overflow occurs if the result s has a different sign than x and y. So this helps us to determine whether the answer is right or not. So this is how the operation is easily done.